Good morning, children. Today we will learn about how does a computer works. How does a computer solve any problem? For this, first of all think, how does we human being work? How we solve any problem? To solve a problem, we take clues. We think about it, then decide and then tell the answer, right? In the same way, computer also solve any problem or it does any work, right? Whatever is received by our brain through our sense organs is thought about our brain and is called input. What is it called? Input. Then our brain helps to think, decide and act and thus perform any action. Whatever action we take as the signal we get from our brain is called output. In the same way, computer also gives its result as an output. Let us take an example. Suppose we have to eat our food. Then how will we eat? We will take a bite through our hands and take it as an input in our mouth. Okay? Then our brain will think. अब हमारा ब्रेन सोचेगा कि ये जो खाना हमारे माउथ में आया है उसका क्या करना है. Then the brain will give signal to the teeth, to our tongue to chew it. Okay? हमारा जो ब्रेन है वो हमारे माउथ को सिग्नल देगा कि हमें खाना खाना है ना? And then as an output we will eat that. That is our result कि हमने खाना finish कर लिया. We have finished our meal. In the same way, we give commands or instructions to the computer as an input. The commands or the instructions given to the computer is known as input, right? Input. And then the computer will process on it. It will think how to solve that instruction and it will give output as a result. So, computer performs any function in 3 stages. First is input, second is process and third is output. The commands given to computer are called instructions. What are instructions? The command that we give to the computer. The commands that we give to the computer are called instructions. It can be any value, any number, any words. Okay? So, data or instruction given to the computer are called input. Now, we will learn what is processing. Processing क्या है? So, in order to solve a problem, we think and decide. Same way, the computer calculates, compares and gives as a result. So, the steps that computer will follow the steps that the computer will perform to solve that instruction which is given by us as input is known as processing. What is processing? It is the steps that computer will follow to solve our instructions is processing. And after processing, the computer will give result as an output. So the result which we get from computer is known as output. Let us take some another examples. From our daily lives, we can see how does we cook our rice. Have you seen your mother cooking rice in kitchen. So, to cook a rice, first of all, we put the rice into the container and start heating it, right? So, for cooking rice, we put the rice and water in a container. So, this is input. दिस इज इनपुट, है ना. जो चावल और पानी हमने कंटेनर में दिया, उसे गर्म करना है, चावल को पकाना है ना. तो चावल राइस इज एन इनपुट. इन द सेम वे, फॉर एग्जाम्पल, वी हैव टू कैलकुलेट 2 + 2. ओके, तो हमने जो ये इंस्ट्रक्शन दिया 2 + 2, इसे ऐड करना है ना. 2 + 2, वी विल गिव दिस इंस्ट्रक्शन टू द कंप्यूटर इज इनपुट. देन व्हाट इज द सेकेंड स्टेप? इट इज प्रोसेस. नाउ इन कुकिंग राइस, व्हाट विल बी द प्रोसेस? वी विल हीट इट, है ना. वी विल हीट इट एट सर्टेन टेम्परेचर. चावल को पकाने के लिए अब क्या करना होगा? उसे गर्मी देनी होगी, उसका प्रोसेस है ना, तभी चावल पकेगा. So this is process. And in computer, to solve the problem, जो हमने instruction दिया, input दिया कंप्यूटर को 2 + 2, उसे add करने के लिए कंप्यूटर will think over it. तो कंप्यूटर उस पर think करेगा, it will perform the action and it will add it. वो उसे add करेगा, है ना. This is process. And as an output, it will give result 4. है ना, we will get that result 4. So this is output. And in our daily life, in cooking rice, what will happen? The rice will be cooked, है ना. So that is output. So in simply, what is input? Input is the data and instructions. Whatever we give to computer is input. Second, process. What is process? The steps that the computer will take to perform any action to solve the commands or instructions that we have given is process, and the final result that we get is output. So computer works in 3 stages, that is input, process and output. Thank you.